Dancing in the autumn, a beautiful metaphor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the poetic and enchanting phrase, dance in the autumn. This expression is not just about the physical act of dancing or the season of autumn. It's a rich metaphor that conveys feelings, emotions, and the beauty of change. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so special and how it can enhance your English language skills. At first glance, dance in the autumn might seem straightforward. However, it's a metaphorical expression that goes beyond its literal meaning. Dancing signifies joy, freedom, and the act of embracing the moment. Autumn, on the other hand, is a season known for its vivid colors, cool air, and a sense of transition. When combined, these elements suggest celebrating life's changes and finding joy in the moment, especially as things shift and evolve. Autumn is a powerful symbol in many cultures. It represents change, maturity, and preparation for the coming winter. In literature and poetry, autumn often symbolizes the balance between life and death, the beauty and aging, and the cycle of renewal. By dancing in the autumn, one might be encouraged to embrace change with a positive spirit, to appreciate the fleeting beauty of the present, and to acknowledge the cycle of life. This phrase can be used in various contexts to convey optimism, resilience, and the celebration of change. Here are a few examples. Personal reflection. I've decided to dance in the autumn of my life, embracing every change with joy and gratitude. Motivational speech. Let's dance in the autumn of our challenges, finding beauty in our journey and strength in our growth. Creative writing. Use the phrase to set a scene or mood that captures the essence of change and the beauty of the moment. Dance in the autumn is more than just words, it's a philosophy for living. It encourages us to find joy in the midst of change, to celebrate the beauty of the moment, and to move gracefully through life's seasons. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the metaphorical dance in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning and growing every day.